How many swaraksharani are there? Can anyone tell?
13.
13, Uttama. So they are classified into...
Padmaji,
yes,
someone has communicated in WhatsApp group that he is unable to log in. Kalavenu something.
I don't know. 1 minute. I'll just see. Balavenu unable to log in. I don't know whether they... Probably he joined. What is this number? 6481. Otherwise, I will send this one again, whether he can join. We will see. So it is divided into 2 types. Can anyone tell me what are they?
Dirgha and what?
Yes, Uttama. Dirgha and Hrasva and Dirgha.
Okay, Hrasva.
Hrasva and Dirgha, Uttamam. Short vowels and long vowels. Short. Okay, there are 13 plus 2 vowels. You can see the screen, isn't it?
Yes, we can screen.
Yes.
Simple vowels. So short vowels, that the Hrasva vowels are A, E, U, R and R. So these 5 are short vowels. That is Hrasva Swaraha. Then long vowels. Remaining vowels are long vowels. Dirgha Swaraha. A, E, U, R, A, I, O, Au. So how many are there? 8. These 8 are long vowels.
8.
So E, U, Ru are long vowels, whereas A, I, O, Au are long as well as conjunct vowels, because they are formed by 2 vowels. That is why it is called a conjunct. I mean, connect 2 vowels combined together. So these 4 are long and also conjunct vowels. Long vowels, short vowels, then conjunct vowels. Short vowels are those 5, A, E, U, R, Tr. Then long vowels are 8, A, E, U, R are long vowels, and also A, I, O, Au are long and also conjunct vowels.
Oh.
So, Au. O, A, I, O, Au are long and conjunct vowels. So that we have seen all conjunct vowels are long vowels. And the place of pronunciation, there are how many types? 5 types. Throat. From the throat, it is gutturals. Gutturals. From the throat, it originates from whereas palate. Then palate, that is the upper portion. Roof of the mouth, that is palate. Then lips. Labials. Then cerebrum. Then teeth, ends, dentals. Actually, it should not, very less time only we should give. Then A and I throat and also palate. So what are gutturals? Sounds produced at the back of the oral cavity, that is throat. So this we will, because this will continue in Vyanjana Aksharani also. So that is why we are just refreshing it again. So sounds produced by the back of the oral cavity, that is throat. See this red indication, no, that is the place where it originates. Then what are palatals? Sounds produced when touching the palate of the mouth with the tongue. So e. So those are palatals. So what are labials? Sounds produced when touching the upper lip with the lower lip. So ooh. Then cerebrals. Sounds produced by touching the roof of the mouth with the tongue. The tongue is curly in this position. Dentals. Sounds produced by touching just above the upper teeth. Then Varnamala, divided into two, vowels and consonants. So far we have seen vowels, A to Au. Now we will go to consonants. There are 33 consonants in Samskritam, 33. They are called Vyanjanani, Vyanjana Aksharani or Vyanjanani. Consonants are also called Halaha. Now what is Halaha we will see later. Now you just see the name Halaha. Consonants are also called Halaha. Halaha. There are so actually now we will see what is a consonant. A pure consonant is linguistically defined to be one without any vowel attached to it. But consonants are meaningful only when uttered with a vowel. Actually, the consonants means actually ik, ich, ip. So those are only consonants, but it is difficult to pronounce. That is why more than difficult, it will be meaningful if we add the vowels. So that is why generally we add vowel with the consonants. Ik. Instead of saying ik, we say ka, nya, cha. Like that we are telling. But it is ik plus a. Vowels are added to it. The second point, the syllables which can be pronounced independently are called vowels. I told you in the last class, no? Swadantarena agachati. When independently, swadantaram means we know the word. So some words are in other languages also. Swatantarena agachati. That is independently it is pronounced. So they are called vowels. And those which cannot be produced independently are called consonants. These consonants are not independently pronounced. So that is the difference. Vowels are pronounced independently, whereas consonants are not pronounced independently. Therefore, vowels are compared to life and consonants to the body. So body cannot be, what to say, alive without the life. So that is why the consonants are pronounced with vowels. Consonants consist of five class consonant, each class consisting of 5 consonants. We'll see further. Actually, if you see, you just go through when we explain the further letters, we will come. You'll be able to understand clearly. So first one is 5 class. First is so Vargiya Vyanjanani or Varga Vyanjanani. So there are 25. Varga Vyanjanani, then semi-vowels, Antastaha. Semi-vowels are called Antastaha. Then sibilants, Ushmanaha. They are hard aspirate. We'll see. Soft aspirate, Ha. This also comes under sibilants. So that's 33 are divided into 4 components. 25, those are Varga Vyanjanani, then 4 Antastaha, then 3 Ushmanaha, and have is soft aspirate. Actually, it is Ushmanaha. So 4 are Ushmanaha. So 25 Varga Vyanjanani, 4 Antastaha, then 4 Ushmanaha. Varga Vyanjanani, Antastaha, Ushmanaha. 25, 4, 4. We will see now Varga Vyanjanani. The 5 class consonants are first class Kavarga. It is called Kavarga. Class Kavarga means class series. SERAES series Kavarga. Or you can another name is Kuhu. Kuhu is also, it is also called Kuhu. Kavarga or Kuhu. That is first one. First series. Kavarga Kavarga Varga Vyanjanani. Then second class Chavarga. Chavarga Chuhu. Another name is Chuhu. Then third one. Third class Kavarga. Kavarga is also called Tuhu. Tuhu. Fourth class is Tavarga. Tuhu. Fifth class is Pavarga. Pavarga means Pa series. So Ka series, Cha series, Ta series, Ta series, Pa series. So 5 into 5, 25. Kavarga. Yes, Kachata Tapa. Kachata Tapa. Yes. G, you can mute yourself and practice, G. Sorry, don't mistake me, G. So Kavarga. It's okay. Kavarga, Chavarga, Kavarga, Kavarga, Kavarga. Actually, if you know, if any of you know Tamil, you can say Kachata Tapa. That is for easy remembrance. Kuhu, Chuhu, Tuhu, Tuhu, Puhu. Varga means class or group. So series also you can say class. Kavarga class also you can say. Or group, Ka group. First class, Kavarga series. The consonants in the first group come under gutturals. This actually, this Kachata Tapa. If you see, it actually starts from throat and it ends in lips. So all the 5 series are, formed from throat to lips. It's really in this Sanskrit language, it's really we can appreciate that language. The gutturals. So that we have already seen gutturals. This Kavarga series starts pronounced from gutturals, that is throat. It is pronounced by touching the hint part of the tongue to the throat. The letters of the first class are Ka. So you can practice by yourself by muting. So without, you can just open your mouth and start. These 5 letters only start from the throat, not start only. It is formed from the throat, or it is pronounced from throat only. Throat and the backside of the tongue. Ka, ka. First one is little soft. Ka, ka. Ga, ga, ga. Nya is a little bit difficult to pronounce because you have to use only the throat portion that you can, and also the nose. Ka, ka, ga, ga, nya. This nya is little different. This class, which begins with the letter Ka, is called Kavarga. Kuhu. Can anyone unmute and try? Yeah, Uttamam. One more person. I think Geeta, I saw the name Geeta ji. Could you please pronounce
Kha,
them?
kha, ga, ga, na.
Akaka Gaganga. Uttam. Then one more person, I think
I'll say Madhvi.
Madhavi.
Ka, kha, ga,
Ga,
ka, kha, ga, gha, nya.
nya.
Nga. The Nga is a little different. That is DNA, Nga, that is a different series. This is Nga. Some, I mean, only from the throat. We should not use the tongue
Okay.
and all.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Then now how it should be written, those 5 letters, we'll see. Yesterday, actually in the last class, one more aspect I just wanted to tell. So all the letters, no, it starts from left to right and top to bottom. So if you observe, no, this ka, one is from top to bottom it comes. Then 2 is from left to right. So all the letters you have to write like this. From left to right, top to bottom. From top to bottom, left to right. So 1, then 2, then 3 is the horizontal, I mean vertical line. Then 4 is the horizontal line over 3. The second one, kha. This like one bend, no? This 1, 2 is like this. Then 3 is the vertical, 4 horizontal. Ka. Ga. Ga is the one is short, second is little, I mean longer. The third one connecting both 1 and 2. Ga. See this ga, you have to be little careful. This ga and letter will see da. Da is these two letters appear to be similar, but there is a small difference in one. So that is when we see that letter, we'll see 1, this 2 and 3. So both 1 and 3 should be joined. So that is the difference. We will see later. 1 and 2 has to be joined. Then nga. Nga. This is like yes. Then one small dot. It is actually a dot. Then 3 is top, horizontal line. Second class. The consonants in the second group come under palatals. So shall we see one more time the first class, Kavarga series. The consonants in the first group come under gutturals. It is pronounced by touching the thin part of the tongue to the throat. The letters of the first class are Kha, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nga. The na has to be pronounced along with the nose. That is why it is, I mean, it is called Anunasika letter. We'll see. Anunasika means Nasika, we'll know this nose. Anu means, I mean, with nose. So, ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. So those are the first class, first series. Second one. The consonants in the second group come under palatals. Talavyaha. It is pronounced by touching the middle part of the tongue to the middle roof of the mouth. The letters of the second class are cha, cha, ja, za, nga, nga. So this nga, we have to touch the middle part of the mouth with the middle portion of the tongue. Nga. I think this is little easy. The first one is little difficult actually. This class, which begins with the letter cha, is called Chavarga, Chuhu series. Cha, cha, ja, 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 nya. So the fourth one should be a little bit, what to say, I mean, we have to emphasize more breath. It is called Mahapranaha, we'll see. Can anyone, I mean, pronounce the second series? Unmute and pronounce the series.
Cha,
ch, j, jh, nya.
उत्तमम् धन्यवादः महोदय. One more person.
cha, cha, ja, ja, na.
Anya. Uttamam. Second cha is a little bit harder.
Cha,
Could you please, could you please try again?
cha. Sorry. Cha,
Okay.
cha, ja, ja, nya.
Uttamam. So one more person, please.
Cha, cha, ja, ja, na.
Yeah, Uttamam. So, and it how it has to be written. So from left to right, that horizontal line, then 2, 3, 4. Cha. The second cha. It is like what to say, 3 like 3. So on top of the 3, fourth one. So from top to bottom only it has to be written. Then fifth one. Because the 4 is the vertical line, so we are drawing 5 on top of it without touching 1. That you can observe. That one has to be little below the horizontal line. It should not touch. If it touches, no, it will. Then you will think it is a ga. So the one should not touch the horizontal line. Cha. Ja. So ja is 1 vertical, 3, 2 horizontal, 3. Ja. Ja. Like E, then 2, 3, 4 horizontal. Nya. Nya is reverse C, like 1, then 2 is just straight line, 3, 4. So this also only the 3 touches the horizontal line, not anything else. So there are 5 letters in the second series. Can anyone tell me the letters? Hariom? Can anyone tell me the second series letters?
Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya.
Uttama. Okay, then third series. The consonants in the third group come under cerebrals. Murdanyah. It is Murdanyah. It is pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue against roof of the mouth. Tip of the tongue against the roof of the mouth. The letters of the third class are ta, ta, da, da, na. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Na. Na is, along with the nose. Can anyone tell? Tell the third series, please. Tuhu series.
Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
Uttamam. Dhanyavada, Bhagini. One more person, please. Hello. One more person. Sriram ji, could you please tell me could you please pronounce the letters? Third series, to who?
th, th, d, d, na.
Uttamam. So how it has to be written from top to bottom. Oh, there's one, then two.
Padmaji, this is Suleika.
Yes.
Could you just repeat the third series again, please?
Third series.
The pronunciation again, if you don't mind.
The which one, Jace? Third one?
Yes, please. Third series.
Okay. The consonants in the third group come under cerebrals. Murdanyah.
Yes.
So what is Murdanyah? The tip of it is pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue against the roof of the mouth. So it is, I mean, you can use it only the tip of the tongue. The letters of the third class are ta, ta. First, I'll start from the beginning. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Is that okay, Suleka? Suleka, no? I forgot your name. See.
Yes, that's correct.
Suleka.
Yes.
Suleka.
Could you just, is it ta or da?
Which one? Third one or fourth one?
Third one.
Third one. Da. It is
Da.
like D-A. It is like should be pronounced like D-A. The fourth one is D-H-A.
Okay, thank you.
Could you please try, Suleka ji?
Yes. Is it the first and second like a T as in ta?
First one is ta, T-A.
Yes.
Then second one is second one I should see some example because it should be little I mean stress you should give. I don't know whether any equivalent I mean English letter is there, but in Tamil I can say pattam. Pattam means kite.
Right.
Kite, I think, yeah, kite, the T, I don't know how you will pronounce. In Tamil, no, we will give little stress to the ta. So that we can use.
Ta,
So, ta,
ta, ta, da, da, nya,
na,
na.
na, yes, correct. Na. Nya is the Chavarga letter.
Okay, thank you. I just can't
You're welcome.
read the alphabet, so I'm just trying to understand it in English
Yes.
and transliterate. But thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. That English, I mean, equivalent words, I will just find out and let you know. I will post it in the WhatsApp.
No problem. It's just trying to read the alphabet and say the pronunciation. So thank you for repeating it because I see it in the Samskrtam Devanagari script, but I'm trying to understand it as well in the trying to transliterate it or understand the pronunciation as an
Okay.
English version. But thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, ta, second, ta, little bit stress. Mahaprana, we have to stress more, ta. So that name we'll see later. So one starts from top, then the small round, then horizontal line. Da. Da. It is like that S. On top of it, horizontal line. Da. 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 It is like ta only, but you have to bring it inside. So that is the difference between the first and the third letter. First letter is that one stops there itself, like C, but whereas the third letter goes inside. Sorry, the fourth letter. So that's a difference. Then na, na. That one is like this, like U, then vertical, then horizontal. Then covering all the three lines. The fourth, Varga Vyanjanani, fourth series. The consonants in the fourth group come under dentals. Dantyaha. Dantyaha is dentals. It is pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue against the base of the teeth. Touching the tip of the tongue against the base of the teeth. So the previous series is tip of the mouth we saw. This is the base of the teeth. The letters of the fourth class are ta, ta, da, na, ta. So sorry, I'll do it from the beginning. Ta, ta, da, na. Ta, ta, da, na. If you say continuously, it comes. Ta, ta, da, na. So that is the fourth class. Tavarga, or it is tuhu. It is dentals because it pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue against the base of the teeth. This is the first one. First is first you have to write the that C portion, then horizontal, then the vertical. Ta. This is the second ta. Ta. This is like yeah, we'll see later. Like with the curve. We have to write one portion, then 2, 3. So three on the, should be only on top of 2, not on 1. So that we have to see. So even while writing, we have to write like that only. Otherwise, I mean, the writing procedure is like that without touching the curved portion. Second ta has to be written like this. Then the first one is A, B, C. Then horizontal. So this is the fourth one. So I think the formation is not there, but anyway, let me see. No, it is not there. So first you have to write the this 3 portion, no, that ulta side. And then without touching the curved portion, the horizontal portion has to be given. One minute. Oh, it has gone. When I switched to the window, it just went away. 1 minute. You were saying the fourth class, isn't it?
Yes.
This is the.
Mm.
So this we were saying. So there is a difference between this ga and this da that we have to notice. So that ga is, I mean, without the small round, and that the portion was touching the, I mean, the horizontal portion was touching both. Whereas in this da, that curved portion is outside. So that is the difference that we have to observe. Then na. So first one, second one, third one. The fifth class. Oshtaha. The consonants in the fifth group come under labials. Oshtyaha. It is pronounced by touching the lips together. So that is Oshtyaha. The letters of the fifth class are, this is quite easy. Pa, tha, ba, ba, ma. Pa, tha, ba, ba, ma. Oshtyaha. Touching the lips together. It is pavarga, pa series or puhu. So how the first one is, it should be, how it should be written is given. The second one, tha. Tha. Then ba. Here we have to write the C portion. Then we have to put the cross. This one line. Then third one, that fourth one, horizontal line. So that is ba. Then the fourth ba. So here also the first one is actually the inverted some bracket or whatever we call. So that one, then the vertical line, then the horizontal line. The horizontal line is only on the vertical line, not on the curved one. That we can observe. Then ma. So one, it is like curved line. 2 is like curved, then 3, 4 on top of it, 5, covering both 1 and 4. So, so far any doubt? Can anyone pronounce the fifth series, pa series? Geeta ji, can you try?
Pa,
Pa, pa, bha, ma.
Uttam. Then Sulekha ji.
Ha, pat, ba, ba, ma.
Uttamam. So these are the fifth letter, fifth series. So this we will see for 5 minutes. Then if you have got any doubt, we will see. Consonants, Vyanjanani, Halaha. The consonants are classified into 3. Class consonant that we have seen now, 25 letters, 5 into 5, 25. The rest we will see in the next class. Semi-vowels, Antastaha, then Ushmanaha, sibilants. Varga Vyanjanani, Antastaha, then Ushmanaha. 25. Class consonants. Varga Vyanjanani. Varga Vyanjanani, Antastaha, semi-vowels, sibilants, Ushmanaha. This you have seen. Tavarha, Chavarha, Tavarha, Tavarha, and Tavarga. So these letters. See, say that I was Sulekha is asking, that pronunciation, that second one Tavarga, DA, the fourth one is like DHA. And there is a difference, there's a second and Tavarga and Tavarga. The fourth one you can see, even for the third and fourth, under D there is a dot, whereas in the Tavarga series there is no dot. That is a difference pronunciation. Were you able to make the difference, Sulekha ji?
Yes, thank you. That slide you have right now is very, very helpful with the pronunciation. That's Kavarga, 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 and Kavarga.
Oh, yes.
That particular slide, I'll cut and paste and try and do pronunciation practice
Yes,
at home. Thank
Yes,
you, Haji.
Dhanyawad. So, and from where it is pronounced, gutturals, palatals, cerebrals, dentals, and labials. So that we can appreciate that I was telling from throat to lips. So it is in the order. Kashata, tapa. So the class numbers of first class, second, third, and this one. I was telling you, Mahapranaha, Alpa Pranaha, Mahapranaha, and Alpa Pranaha plus Anunasika, non-aspirate. Okay, the first one, 3 we will see. First one, Alpa Pranaha, that means non-aspirate. Ka, and Ga. So without much effort, we are pronouncing. So it is, that is why it is Alpa. Alpa means we know the meaning, no? I mean, less. So,
You can't hear. Hello. Yes. Not able to hear. Padmaji, not able to hear you.
Padmaji has lost the connection, so I think she's trying to rejoin.
Yes, we'll wait.
Yes.
We'll wait.
Hello, can you hear me? Are you?
Yes, Padmaji, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay. I think we will stop with this. Then we will see in the next class. If you got any doubt, please let me know.
Hmm.
Hello. So only thing is, I think you have to little practice if at all we want to. Read the shloka or the lessons clearly. So the rest of the letters we'll see in the next class. Shall I say the Shanti mantra?
Padmaji, I have one question. This is Suleika.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yes, one of the slides that you had sent with the actual pronunciation, there was a section. Would it be possible to just send that slide as well? It's at the very end of all the 5 class series, and what the actual consonant is and what the pronunciation is. It's at almost at the very end of this class lesson.
Yes, yes. Yeah, that we will go through again. And then Guruji also will send the material and also the YouTube.
Okay, I will look at it then. But I found
Probably
that,
he will.
sorry, go ahead.
He is traveling actually, so probably he will do it tomorrow. I will send him the record, and
No
also he
problem.
has it. So this PDF file he is having, so he will. Post it in the WhatsApp group.
Thank you. Thank you.
The last few slides we will go through again on Tuesday, and then we will continue the class.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Anyone else
Thank you
got
very
any
much.
doubt? Thank you. I'll say the Shanti Mantra, then you can disperse. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadah. Punarmilamah.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు పద్మాజీ.
Dhanyavadah.
Thank you. Thank you, Padmaji. Thank you for the class.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.